In this video, you are going to learn the 5 best free Figma plugins that you need for your daily designs. Number 1, Pexels. If you need to use an image for your design, then Pexels is a place where you can get your image directly inside Figma. To get it done, you have to right click, then you are going to see plugins, then click on manage plugins, then you are going to search for Pexels. There are tons of royalty free pictures that you can use in your designs. So also you can search for anyone that you like. For instance, I'm going to search for portraits. You can start scrolling until you see the one that is perfect for your design. For instance, if I like this one, I can click on it and it's going to be inserted. As you can see, the picture has been inserted. Number 2, Fontawesome. Now if you need an icon for your design, then Fontawesome is a great plugin you can use. To get that done, you need to right click as well. Then you are going to scroll down to this section where you have plugin. Then you click on manage plugins. This time around, I'm going to search for Fontawesome. As you can see, this is the plugin. Click on it in order to have access to all of the icons. You have a lot of icons that you can use for your design. Feel free to select anyone that you need. You can also search for anyone that you need. Likewise, you can click here to select anyone that if I need this one, I can simply click on it and it is going to be applied. The icon has been applied successfully. Number 3, Icons 8 background remover. If you quickly need to remove an image background in your design, then Icon 8 background remover is your best friend. You have to right click as well, then you click on plugins, click on manage plugins. Then you are going to search for Icons 8 background remover. This is the plugin, then click on it. Then click on remove background. As you can see, the background of this picture has been removed with just one click of a button. By the way, if this video is very helpful to you, please support my channel by subscribing to my channel. Also, turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you. And you can also share this video among your loved ones so that this video can reach more people online. Number 4, Illustration Kit. Sometimes in your design, you may need to use an illustration. Go to plugins, as usual, go to manage plugins. Then you are going to search for Illustration Kit. Click on the plugin in order to run it. You can start scrolling to the bottom until you see the illustration that fits best for your design. Take for instance, if I like to use this one, I will click on it. Then it's going to be applied. One thing I like about this illustration is that you can change the color to match your color palette. For instance, if I want to change this blue color, I can click on it. Then I will come to this section under fill. I will click on it to change the color. As you can see, the color has been applied. So if I want to change every other part as well, I can do that. Number 5, LoremIpsum. If you quickly need a placeholder text or dummy text that you can use for your design before you get the website copy later, click on plugin as usual, then manage plugins. Now the plugin is downloading. You can set it according to the way you like it. So you can change it maybe to characters, words, sentences and paragraph. So I will leave it at sentences. Then I will leave it at 5 sentences. I will now click on generate. It's done generating the dummy text. So these are the 5 best free Figma plugins you need for your daily designs. Let me know in the comment section below if you have been using any of these plugins before, or maybe there is anyone you have been using that I didn't talk about in this video. Let me know in the comment section. If you really enjoyed this video, please share this video with your loved ones. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be updated.